So once you come in the door, on the right, there is a bathroom. The bathroom has an in-floor heating. So there's heating inside the bathroom here. And then here is a closet at the entranceway. When you come in, on the left is the kitchen. Gas stove, oven, and microwave. And the French door fridge. So underneath the sink is the dishwasher. In the middle, there's the island. You can put 4 stools here as a dining table. On the right is the washer and dryer. Front loading. And then the bedroom. Bedroom and the closet. The bedroom is facing the balcony, looking over the golf court. It's got a large balcony outside. And the living room. It's facing quite on the neighborhood is the golf court you're looking at. And on this side, there's no SkyTrain noise. It's facing the quiet side of the street.